Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today is October 1st and we're going to see what's left in the garden. I still have things growing. This is zone 6A, so the weather's kind of crazy. When it comes to October, it was like 92 degrees yesterday, so we're still getting plenty of things going on in the garden, so let me show you. Welcome to the mess, but this is my potatoes and carrots and parsnip section. I need to kind of check on some carrots. They were not ready the other day. Yeah, I just don't think that they're quite ready. They're also really close together. Some of my peppers that I never planted are still growing peppers. Look at this adorable pumpkin. My vine is starting to kind of die off, so I'm not quite sure when to pick the pumpkins, but you can see there's one hiding in there. There's a big one here. There are a couple of big ones over here. You can kind of see hiding there and there. The berries are pretty much done. This kale has been eaten alive, so, or whatever it is. Yeah, we've got some nice little pests here. Oh, they are everywhere. So we're gonna yank this and throw it in the compost. Nothing too much going on with the asparagus and strawberries. More pumpkin vine snaking its way in here. And look what I just saw. Look at this beautiful morning glory. I didn't even plant this. They're kind of invasive. They kind of, wind their way through things. But how can I pick that out when that's so pretty? All right, I've got my borage and my marigolds that are finally starting to kind of die off. More weeds. Ignore the weeds. Crazy pumpkin vine. Now, last time I told you that there was nothing going on with all of these melons or these pumpkins in the back, but I hadn't gone to the back. And look, things have woven around to the back, and I have a cute little watermelon growing. Same thing right here, little tiny melon. I had another really large melon, but it was rotten on the bottom, so I had to throw it in the compost. But amongst the weeds, there is stuff growing. Over here you can see all of these ripe tomatoes that I need to get in here and pick. This is on the kind of the back side. And then around here, look at all these in here that I have to get in here and pick. Oh my gosh, my Amish paste tomatoes are ready. Gorgeous. And then look at all of these peppers I need to pick. My leeks are getting really large. Oh, look at all these peppers hiding in there. My onions are huge. I need to do something with those. My tomatillos are still growing. I can't remember if I planted purple ones or not, but these started turning purple, and this one's definitely ready, so I must have planted purple ones. Over here you can see all of these gorgeous, gorgeous peppers. Oh my gosh. There's really ripe jalapenos. There are cherry hots. There are, I can't remember, I think Hungarian something. And then look at my Tabasco peppers. Some of them are starting to ripen down in there, but look how many are on this bush. Stay tuned because we are going to try and overwinter my peppers. Oh my gosh, look at this giant jalapeno. Just to keep them for next year and just kind of get a head start. Look at all these cayenne peppers. They're not quite ready yet. They're all green, but look how many are on here. And then I've even got some red ones down in there. Over here, my lemon and lime trees really haven't done much except grow. No fruit though, so that's okay. My laurel tree has gotten really large. I need to see if this is hardy or not. I know my fig tree is hardy, and look how big it is. Here are my pumpkins on a stick. They're getting kind of heavy for itself, but I'm gonna cut these and dry them and use them as decoration for the fall. Well, this one just broke off, so we're going to attempt it with this one that has a yucky one, but that one has an orange one. These are still green, but we're going to dry it. Look, they're getting too heavy. They're leaning over. Over here we have, oh my gosh, you guys, this is kind of embarrassing. It's such a mess, but I have rhubarb over there, horseradish here. My ground cherries are still going strong. I've got a bunch I need to pick up off the ground. The bean trellis is still sad. I haven't done anything with it. I'm just waiting for everything to die. Flowers are still going. Look at my nasturtium. It has really blossomed. And look at my gorgeous matchstick mums. They're finally blooming. Oh my gosh. And then this really cool pink one. And then here's my Oscar with tons more seed pods. And it is, oh my gosh, so tall. I love this plant. I'm gonna pick some and make a bouquet out of it, but it just has branches after branches after branches. This is the giant weed bed, please ignore. But yeah, that is the garden update for October 1st. I have some things to go pick. It's just easier off camera because I just brought my phone out here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys, bye.